How to add pin on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open the Roblox app on your device. Now tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and tap on Settings. Once you're on your settings, tap on Parental Controls. Now here find parent pin. As you can see, the pin is now disabled. So if you want to turn this on, then you simply want to toggle this button on. Now here you need to create a 4-digit PIN, so go ahead and create your own PIN. You will have to re-enter it again to confirm it. Then tap on the Add button. Here it says one-time code has been sent to your registered email, so go ahead and check your email for the code. Paste the code, and once you have done that, as you can see, your pin is now set. And in this way you can add pin on Roblox. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.